Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our 24x24 core board with you. This board has one micro USB port and one UART port and two SIM card slots. There are also 4 antenna pedestals here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is the main antenna pedestal, and these two are for GPS antenna. This one is for NB-IoT and this one is for 4G. This one is for BT antenna. And now I will teach you how to use it by this sample. You can see here that we connect antenna like this way, and you can connect it with the computer by a cable. And before using this module, you need to download the driver. I will send it to you by email. You can send me your email address if you need it, and then just download this, is okay. And then open the SIMCOM this test software. You need to here choose the AT port and then English, and then click open. Here we have a column of command for SIMCOM, and you can directly click it and test all the results. And you can see from here the AT command and what it is used for. And our core board can support all this series SIM modem from SIMCOM. Thank you.